Hello friends, as you know, HRD changed the syllabus of EPS topic. Now, if you want to download these books and MP3s, you can come on my korean-pen.blogspot.com. This is my website and everything is available. New books and MP3s available. You can download from here. When you open this link, this page will appear, and in Korean book section, EPS Book 1 new. Now I uploaded here EPS Book 1, Book 2, then MP3 1 and MP3 4. All of these files you can download from my blog. When you click on EPS Book 1, this page will appear and you will go down. After you, this is the logo of book 1. When you go down there, you can see could not preview file because file is large, but there is no problem. Just arrow, you click on the arrow and the new page will open. Here is the download link. You can download here and from here. There are two ways. From here you can download also, and this is also you can download the book and everything like MP3s you also can download with this way. So when you come back and again you can download MP3 if you want to download now MP3. MP3s are actually two files. These are zip files. When you download, after that you will unzip. This is the preview of MP3 one zip file. You can see track names: track 1, track 2, track 3, like this. You will if you want to download, just click on the arrow. You can see this arrow and you can see this arrow. Just click on the arrow, okay, like this, and the new pop-up window will appear. Here you can see the download button. You can download these MP3 files also from here. Thanks for watching.